Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick comparison review about these two password manager platform, which is Dashlane and Proton Pass. So I'm going to create a simple review about the strength and the weakness of this platform together with a quick comparison to help you decide which of these platform will be a better option for you in 2025. So to get started with the overview, Dashlane is a strong, full-featured password manager offering a polished interface built-in VPN, dark web monitoring, and strong mobile app for individual and teams. So talking about Proton Pass on the other side, it's a newer password manager from the privacy-focused team behind Proton Mail and Proton VPN, which is designed with end-to-end encryption to simplify or simplicity the Proton ecosystem integration at its core. Now, talking about the strength and weakness of these two platforms, so picking Dashlane strength. So talking about the strength, it has an excellent autofill password generation features. Also, it comes with built-in VPN and dark web monitoring, strong mobile app and browser extension support. Now, talking about the weakness of this Dashlane platform, it has a few higher pricing than other competitor platform. Also, the VPN may not replace a detected service and also has a limited customization fee compared to open source tools. Now, talking about Proton Pass, I'm just going to review, analyze the strength and the weakness of Proton Pass platform for you. So talking about the strength of Proton Pass, it has an end-to-end encryption for all data, including metadata. Also has this built by a trusted privacy-focused company. Does help you with a simple, clean design with a fast Proton ecosystem integration, which is the mail, VPN, and drives. Now, talking about the weakness of the Proton Pass, still lacks some advanced features like secure file storage, full password health report, smaller user base, and fewer third-party integration. Also, some features are blocked behind a Proton Unlimited subscription. Now, talking about the overall conclusion, so if you want a matured all-in-one password manager with a strong usability, built-in VPN, and extra like a breach alert, Dashlane is the absolutely best option for you. So if you focus on a privacy and already use Proton service, or want a streamlined tools with a top-tier encryption, even for metadata, just simply go for Proton Pass. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform. Thanks.